Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to the video. Today we're gonna be taking our Supra to Rev Performance's dyno day. So you get like 3 runs for $100 and they also give you the paper afterwards. And I'm curious to see what this pushes for power because keep in mind, we only really have the engine intake installed in terms of power mods for this thing. And that's supposed to roughly give us around like 15 to 18 horsepower. I told the fellas here that I was gonna take the Supra there and we all have bets. So Jesse says it might be pushing around 392 horsepower, wheel horsepower. And Jackson says 400, maybe like 402. And I say 420, because the other day, by the way, I haven't lost a street race in this thing yet. And the other day, I raced this Audi S5. Who on the road, he told me that he was actually stage 2 tuned, pushing around 430 horsepower. I still beat him, so I don't know. I'm curious to see. Let's head to Rev Performance right now. Hopefully we're able to squeeze a Supra in because it's kind of late in the day and it's kind of first come, first serve, so. See you at Rev. That's pretty crazy kitted 350. Damn. Hey, we're here at Rev and they're already doing pulls, man. This is crazy. So that's basically the lineup, but gonna sign up with Charles. Up? What up, homie? Long time no see.
It has been a while.
Sweet, dude. Yeah.
Fill out, see what this thing means.
Yeah, exactly, man. We already took bets at the garage.
Oh, really?
Pretty cool turnout so far, man. Show you guys some of the cars here. So these are the guys that are lining up to get their cars dynoed. Yeah. This is sick. That's a custom painted hood. Oh, I've always wanted to do something like that. God damn, that's cool. What's up, homie?
We're getting Jollibee. Do you want one?
What the heck? Really?
You got one?
Sure.
Oh,
I'll just get like the 2-piece with rice and the mini jolly spaghetti.
Okay.
Yo, you guys are awesome.
With rice or what?
Just one is okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks, LJ. Damn. Those kids are getting me Jollibee. Sheesh. Let's go. What up, homie?
What's up, man?
Check out this crazy 350 that just came by. Drift spec. Never seen this before. Look at this. It's a plexiglass door. You can see through, but that's like super weight reduction, man. That's dope. You get what? Like from the inside, it actually looks like it's open. That's insane, man. Oh.
You prove this thing? Yeah.
Yeah, it's like 18 pounds, like between 15 and 20.
Oh. This is dope. I still want a SRT4. You got the side exit exhaust. Bruh, that's clean. You know what, in another life, or maybe sometime in the near future, we'll probably end up picking up a SRT4 for ourselves. And then we'll make a sleeper and we'll put a Dodge Neon emblem on the back. That's dope.
Rosie, sweet Rosie, you carry me through every storm. Rosie, sweet Rosie, oh, won't you wait for me tonight? Every morning you wake me, it's way too early, but I don't care. You're not faking, your head so cunning. Kiss in my face, you're amazing. You spend too often, give me that look. Now I'm dead, put me in a coffin. Can you keep me up at night? La-di-da-di-da-di, watching movies black and white. La-di-da-di-da-di, when I see you overjoyed. I'm your parents, you're my heaven, yeah, we take control. La-di-da-di-da-di, oh.
guys. Yo. Coming in clutch with the Jolly Bees. Thank you.
Chicken.
Oh my gosh, man. You guys are lifesavers. It's our turn. Like on the display and stuff?
Yeah.
Because I know you can actually see your You guys just trying to figure out like the settings on
Dyno mode.
Yeah. Again, I'm so new to this, man.
Never figured it out too.
Yeah. Crazy, man.
Too many of these around.
Yeah.
Play with.
All right.
So what's happening is he's trying to keep the gear as long as he can, but it automatically shifts around 5, so can't really push it. We're trying to figure this out. So apparently you can't dyno with the hood open. Can you give it a shot? Oh man, what the? I appreciate you guys for trying. Dang, man. Yeah, these guys just try. It's just a process to put it into dyno mode. We'll probably bring it back.
She can say in her voice, in her way, that she loved me. With her eyes, with her smile, with her belt, with her hands, with her money. I am the thesis of her prayers. Her nieces and her nephews are just pieces of
God damn. That's a real Supra.
Yeah, bro.
is handmade, pan fried, sun dried, south side. Double by the landslide.
We're gonna be test driving Su Young's RX-7. Do an actual comparison.
Yeah, Damon's just gonna take your car around the block to get it out of dyno mode.
Yes, sure, sounds good, man. I appreciate you guys for checking that in, man. Whoa, I didn't know it was like that in here, man.
Yeah,
this
it's
is
pretty
sick. So that's what a real dash looks like. Holy fuck! Yo! That's sick. Oh, that's your car. Oh, what the? Take it for a test drive. What the? Holy shit. Dude, this thing is insane. Oh my god, my heart. So this is a turboed rotary? Yeah. Crazy, man. Sweet, man. This thing is fast. It's hella tight. Okay. Just gotta get accustomed. But this is way smoother than the other RX-7, so. That's insane. My heart. That's enough. This thing is sick. And then, oh yeah. Right. That's good. Yeah. Do I have to rev the engine? Or I'll let you do that. That's fine. Sorry, man. This thing's tight. Cool. Damn. She's fast, homie! Yeah, not bad. At least I got to drive the Animator FD, so that's okay. We're gonna head back to the garage now. LJ is gonna follow, and yeah, we'll see you when we get there. Oh, me and LJ just raced in his STI. That thing's fast, but he's turbo too, so. I was only on second, third gear, but he was keeping up, and I felt like he would have passed me if we kept going. What are you guys up to?
Changing headlights.
Nice. Aftermarket or just brand new?
It's just
Aftermarket to OEM.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, but that's a black housing.
It's really clean. What are you up to?
I was trying to fix my lights, see why they're like half working, half not.
Oh, like the Rocket Bunny ones?
Nope.
Oh, wait.
That was a dyno.
They couldn't dyno my car. It was too many technologies and processes, so they said just bring it back because it was a matter of timing and like people were still needed to dyno. Dude, if it was a straight, I felt like you could have had me. You were slowly starting to, man. That was crazy. That's what I live for. That's fun though. Since Larry has the same bolt pattern on his Altezza as the RX-7, we're gonna test fit his work wheels on this. 18 by 9.5?
Yeah, plus 12.
Plus 12 offset.
Yeah.
Let's see what it looks like. Insert Pornhub label here. Making it think of it. Yo, Larry came up with a good idea. We're gonna be test fitting his work wheels on the RX-7 because it's the same bolt pattern. Hell yeah, motherfucker. The wobbly wheels. Yo, it's so hard to understand these wheels because they look directional, but then when your mind tries to make sense of it, it's like it's going the other way. So we thought like, okay, well I guess the bottom part goes that way and then, yeah, no, it's weird, man. I don't know. All right. Again, the size of his wheels are 18 by 9.5. That's why I had to get new front lower control arms.
Yeah, and those Bilstein coilovers though.
Oh yeah, what? Black and gold. We can lower it a lot more. Yeah. All right, man, let's test these wheels. I have a good feeling about this one. I may keep your wheel, Larry. Just one. Looks good though. I like that style. God damn. Yo, yeah, okay, you know what? On tonight's to-do list, look for new wheels for the RX-7. Alright, you know, we had to do the back too. 안녕. Yeah, that's that's a better fitment for sure. Okay. Damn! Oh, yeah, the back is good. Woo! So much more aggressive, dude. On tonight's to-do list, we're gonna scour the internet for wheels. I mean, usually I find myself like midnight-ish, going on Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, trying to look for 5x114.3 offset wheels. These look so good, so now I'm really tempted to just buy wheels for the RX-7. Installing the valve covers, and check out the finish. Super rainbow sparkle. Pretty crazy, man, but way more cleaner. Thanks, Jordan. Looks good, man. Damn! A little more prettier. Yeah, it's like that star design.
Yeah, that's the KMP.
Okay, done.
Yeah?
Yeah, for
Okay,
sure.
I'll
It
show
even
you,
has a little bit of lip. I love it.
Oh, but it looked really good. That's gonna be the hyper.
Oh, it's so clean. Oh, that's this one.
Yeah, that's that one.
Dope.
But yeah, and they're a really cool wheel setup. I think they work really well for the car, and as I can tell, the
That's the
fitment's
style, yeah.
good.
Now we're going to be reinforcing the other side with some fiberglass cloth and fiberglass resin. I'm just going to lay it down exactly where it broke. Right there. Peace, Larry. That just leaves me at the garage. Everyone else left, man. It's like empty. So yeah, I'm just going to lay it down right here and maybe come back tomorrow and finish everything up. Do it right there too. Oh my god. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Oh, I don't need this anymore. Damn, this stuff's so acidic, it ate through the plastic. Like real acid. Whew. So we ended up using 2 layers of the fiberglass cloth, but I think we're just gonna wait until this completely settles, and then we'll come back to it tomorrow. And as for the side skirts, I tried my best to layer the Bondo down so all it needs is one good sanding, and it should be completely smooth. And we're still gonna do the spot putty, but I think tomorrow we can definitely paint these pieces and put them back on the RX-7. I need some rest. Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow.